Welcome at Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the installation of the remanufactured front air struts of a Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class C218 or E-Class W212 with Matic. Stay tuned. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Prepare the vehicle by setting the steering to straight ahead and raising the vehicle. Start the proper deflation procedure as described in the service manual. After that, remove the applicable front wheel. To gain access to the airline, you'll need to remove the cover of the top of the air strut. Then remove the airline to deflate the air strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Continue by disconnecting the ADS plug from the bottom of the shock. Cut the cable tie from the shock and unclip the line bracket. Now remove the sway bar end link. The next step is to loosen and remove the lower mounting bolts. Make sure to support the spindle to prevent damage to the axle and lines. Finally, loosen and remove the upper mounting bolts from the strut tower. You can now carefully remove the air strut from the vehicle. Install the remanufactured air struts in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 or CLS-Class C218 Matic with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.